At its core is this board, specifically the microcontroller. It's a mini computer that reads inputs and controls outputs.
The connections are made through these pins. Digital pins are like an on-off switch. Analog pins read continuous data, like temperature. The USB port handles power and programming.
To talk to the board, you need the Arduino IDE software. Download it, plug in your board, and you're ready to write your first sketch knowing.
Every sketch has two parts: setup, which runs once to initialize things, and loop, which runs the code over and over forever.
Now let's make an LED blink. In setup, we tell the board that pin 13 is an output. In loop, we turn the pin high for a second, then LOW for a second.
Next time, we'll connect a physical button to read an input. Follow for more easy electronics tutorials.